Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for n8n Cloud Edition and get started with a template. My name is V, welcome to my lab, let's go. So the first thing that you need to do is open the website n8n.io, where you need to press get started for free. Simple as that. Let's put the name in. You can use generate a random password. This part is what's going to be in your URL when you open it. So I'll use Agentic and try for free. Oh, this one is already taken. I'll take another one. I'll ask a quick survey about how you're planning to use it. I'll just select some answers. So what size of company? Less than 20. Using n8n already. Press OK. How did you hear about it? YouTube. I'm not going to invite anyone else. It will give us some tutorials from the famous Max, and then it will just take a couple of minutes to create your first workspace. Once you see a big green tick that says your workspace is ready, you can press button start automating, and there you are. You're in your environment, you're on the trial, so you have 1,000 executions, which is plenty for pretty much anyone out there. And where do you start? Well, the first thing to do, I would suggest open templates. n8n, just simply Google for n8n templates, and you will get to the page with lots of different templates. You can select any category you like. So for example, we can select multiple AI and we'll go with Outlook, and that will give you templates out of 1,200 something that match both of your criteria. For example, this one, auto categorize Outlook email with AI from Wayne Simpson. Click on that, click use the workflow, select get started free with n8n Cloud, and it will take that sample and it will make it available straight in your brand new n8n, where you can follow the simple steps. So next step would be to set up your Outlook credentials and set up the chat model. You can skip all of that and I will get you straight into the workflow where you can follow the helpful descriptions and notes on configuring your automation. And just as easy as that, you can start on n8n. Now, use my referral link at the bottom to support the channel to create your n8n instance. I would greatly appreciate that. If you like the videos, press the like and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comment or contact me by email.